Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the game folder so nothing breaks. First, open your Cs2 game folder and navigate to the CFG directory. This is where config's live. Once there, make a quick backup of config. CFG and auto-exec. CFG so you can restore defaults if needed. Then copy the new CFG file into that same CFG folder. Doing this lets the game see your config immediately while keeping a safety copy. Make sure the file name matches what you plan to exec. You now activate the config so CS2 loads it automatically. First, open the developer console in-game and type exec your config. CFG to test it. This applies settings instantly. Once satisfied, open auto-exec. CFG and add a single line, exec your config. CFG so the config runs every launch. If the console won't run it on startup, add plus exec your config. CFG or console to your launch options in Steam's game properties. This ensures the game applies your precise settings each time you play. You finish by validating and adjusting the config for reliability. Restart CS2 and confirm the settings. Check crosshair, binds, sensitivity, and network values to ensure they match. If something needs change, edit your config, save, and exec it again or restart. Always keep version backups. If the config doesn't apply, make sure the file name matches, file permissions allow read access, and Steam launch options include plus exec your config. CFG or console. One quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.